Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to source for in-depth and honest product breakdowns. Today, we're diving into the best 4K action camera on the market right now, the GoPro HERO13 Black Extended Power Bundle. From action sports to cinematic content creation, the HERO13 Black is the ultimate companion for creators who demand top-tier performance in the most compact, rugged package. But what makes this bundle truly stand out isn't just the camera itself. It's the power, versatility, and smart accessories it brings with it. So let's break it down. First up, the core of this bundle, the GoPro HERO13 Black. This is GoPro's latest flagship and it delivers jaw-dropping 5.3K video resolution. That's 91% more resolution than standard 4K and over 600% more than 1080p. Whether you're mountain biking, surfing, or vlogging in a cityscape, the image quality is stunning, rich in detail, and absolutely immersive. It captures the kind of footage that makes people stop scrolling. But it's not just about resolution. The camera uses advanced CMOS sensor technology to pull off incredibly vibrant colors and sharp low-light performance. Plus, the lens cover is water-repellent, meaning you can kiss lens flare and water smudges goodbye. That's a small detail with a big impact on clarity and consistency. Now let's talk about flexibility. The HERO13 Black is built to adapt. It's compatible with the new hydrogen boride series lens mods. Want super wide POV shots? The ultra-wide lens mod gives you that stretched, immersive perspective that's ideal for action sports. Shooting tiny subjects? Pop on the macro lens mod for razor-sharp close-ups. Need cinematic motion blur or to shoot in bright light? The neutral density filters are here for that. And for filmmakers chasing that Hollywood feel, there's the anamorphic lens mod. Even better, the HERO13 automatically detects which lens you're using and adjusts its internal settings accordingly. No fiddling with menus. It just works. Let's move to the accessories included in this extended power bundle. This is where GoPro goes beyond just the camera and sets you up for success. First, you're getting a dual battery charger and not one, but 3 Enduro batteries. These aren't your standard power cells. Enduro batteries are GoPro's high-performance option designed for cold conditions and extended recording time. If you're filming long hikes, winter sports, or multi-day adventures, you'll appreciate the extended runtime. You also get a 64GB SanDisk microSD card, which is ready to handle high bitrate 5.3K video right out of the box. No need to buy extra gear. You're recording from the moment you unbox. And GoPro didn't forget portability. The included premium camera case is compact but spacious enough to carry your HERO13, batteries, charger, and accessories safely, whether you're tossing it in a backpack or packing light for a trip. All of this is currently priced at $349, down from $499. That's a solid 30% off, and considering what's included, it's one of the best value bundles on Amazon for action cameras. However, do keep in mind that shipping restrictions may apply in certain countries like India, so check before ordering. To sum it all up, the HERO13 Black Extended Power Bundle is more than just a camera. It's a fully thought-out ecosystem for content creators. It's built for those who want professional results without the bulk or complexity. With best-in-class video, smart lens compatibility, and an extended power setup, it truly earns the title of the best 4K action camera available today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you never miss an honest review. Until next time, keep creating and stay sharp.